In this aid, we will voice our actually own and market's perspective on Nexo future, while examining Nexo cost figure for 2023 and past in a genuinely significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, for the most part remember that you ought to in every practical sense believe this and any genuinely other expectation with some hesitancy, since anticipating anything by and large is an unpleasant errand, truly not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Nexo in a genuinely enormous manner. Presently, how about we head into it, which generally is genuinely critical. Before we dive pretty profound into the Nexo value expectation and answer questions in the event that Nexo generally is a genuinely wise venture or not, for what reason will Nexo really succeed, or for the most part come up short, or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop, we should rapidly basically toss a look at what certainly is Nexo and its to-date history. By and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. What truly is Nexo, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking? Nexo generally is a very novel loaning stage that permits you to truly procure revenue on kind of your cryptographic money ventures, which explicitly is very huge. Loan costs in every practical sense shift by circulation strategy and coin. Yet you can truly hope to really procure somewhere in the range of 6% and 12% APR, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Nexo in a real sense is situated in Switzerland, which basically makes it sort of less powerless against expanding US. So Nexo in a real sense is situated in Switzerland, which makes it certainly less powerless against expanding US in an exceptionally significant manner. Guideline of crypto loaning stages. Nexo likewise permits you to basically take out credits in light of how much digital money in especially your record, without selling especially your coins and repurchasing them, which by and large is very huge. Financing costs for advances for the most part start at 5.90% APR, which essentially is very huge. However, you can't at present purchase or especially sell digital currencies through the Nexo stage. The crypto bank account supplier essentially offers a high return technique for financial backers to bring in cash on fundamentally inactive coins and fiat in a sort of enormous manner in a real sense. How does the Nexo really token respond? Nexo generally was made during the ICO and circulated to the group and in every way that really matters, early adopters in an exceptionally significant way. The firm offers up to 30% of its benefits with Nexo holders, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Nexo sort of token supports the credit and store environment, holding the in every practical sense. Token qualifies purchasers for a 30% portion of organization benefits, similar to a profit in an exceptionally huge manner. Nexo claims it most certainly has paid more than $9 million to token holders beginning around 2018, which basically is very critical. The token likewise most certainly has an especially couple of advantages for digital currency premium record clients, which explicitly is very huge. In the case of holding Nexo, clients can, 1. Which truly shows that Nexo generally is a very extraordinary loaning stage that permits you to procure revenue on actually your digital currency interests in an unpretentious manner fundamentally. Procure an extra 2% AP on their stores, bringing stablecoins up to 12%, and truly other digital forms of money to 8% in an unobtrusive manner. 2. Fundamentally, in spite of mainstream thinking, acquire 5.9% for Nexo's moment crypto credit lines, which essentially is genuinely critical. Other digital currency premium record stages truly have comparative tokens. Celsius especially has Cell. Crypto.com truly has Crow in an unobtrusive way. They basically appear to truly be a basically means to more and boost essentially early adopters to utilize the stage and sort of hold the token. Nexo value expectation for the truly next 90 days. The by and large entire crypto world in every way that really matters is on an edge of a truly complete breakdown, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin essentially has fallen 75% from its record-breaking sort of high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. When especially add the latest implosions of enormous industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so on into the situation, the horizon generally is dinky, and there will really be somewhat more blood in the city of the crypto town in an in every practical sense, huge way. Financial backers especially are selling unsafe resources and moving into significantly more essentially stable business sectors in an unpretentious manner. Crypto explicitly is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe really play, and subsequently the auction, which is very huge. Our algo still sees some kind of green in 2023, particularly in every practical sense, second piece of the year, which basically shows that when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so on, into the situation, the horizon really is dinky, and there will generally be in every practical sense more blood in the city of the crypto town in an unpretentious manner. This generally is in every way that really matters, reflected in our 2023 expectations, or so they in every way that really matters thought. At the present time, Bitcoin in a real sense needs to for the most part find a base before we can move in the truly inverse course, and certainly alter the course, which explicitly is very critical. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to in every practical sense. Likewise, we explicitly have seen this situation many fundamentally times in the far off and kind of later history, or so they basically thought. Our cost expectation model fundamentally is negative for the essentially next 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which is very critical. We in a real sense expect whales and genuinely other kind of greater players in the market to generally wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike in every practical sense, significant way. Crypto Vault Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each task, which in a real sense is very critical. Essentials that we by and large assess in a real sense are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical, most certainly potential, and a few pretty other fundamentally restrictive elements created in our crypto lab, or so they most certainly thought. 2023-0701 plus 2.01% $, 0.6614, 2023-0702 1.54% $, 0.6384, 2023-0703 plus 3.74% $, 0.6726, 2023-0704 2.04% $, 0.6351, 2023-0705 plus 2.00% $, 0.6613, 2023-0706 0.34% $, 0.6461, 2023-0707 plus 4.46% $, 0.6773, 2023-07 plus 0.54% $, 0.6519, 2023-07 2.26% $, 0.6337, 2023-07 plus 1.25% $,